This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Builder Rat. First, you need to activate both green buttons located in the forklift area. This is a crucial initial step. Next, you must accumulate a total of $15. You can find $1 at the cash register, $5 beneath the supermarket bench, and another $5 on top of the bakery. To get the remaining $4, simply serve some fries to customers. With your $15 in hand, head over to the supermarket. Inside, you will find an ATM. Use it to withdraw your collected money. Then, place the $15 into the specific money area to successfully purchase a tomato box. Remember, it is very important not to open this tomato box yet, as its contents are needed for the next step of our adventure. Now, carefully transport your unopened tomato box to the sewers, which are situated right next to the red house. If the path is blocked, there is a switch near the bakery that will open a bridge to the sewers. Once inside, place the tomato box down. It will then begin producing various potions. Your goal is to wait until a yellow potion appears. Once you have the yellow potion, drink it. This potion has a chance to transform you into the Builder Rat, though sometimes you might become a squirrel rat instead. As the Builder Rat, you gain immunity to rat traps and the unique ability to drive forklifts. To complete your quest and earn the special safety hat badge, simply drive any forklift while in your new Builder Rat form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.